Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make funnel cake with Bisquick Pancake mix. Start by whisking 2 cups Bisquick, 1 cup milk, and 2 eggs until smooth and lump-free. Heat oil to 375 degrees F in a heavy skillet or deep fryer. Pour batter through a funnel or squeeze bottle in a circular pattern and fry until golden brown, flipping once for even color and crispness. Gather 2 cups Bisquick, 1 cup milk, 2 large eggs, 1 tablespoon sugar, and oil for frying. Whisk ingredients in a bowl until the batter is smooth and passes slowly through a funnel or squeeze bottle. Keep the batter at room temperature and have paper towels ready for draining. Maintain oil at a steady 375 degrees F so the funnel cake cooks quickly without absorbing excess oil and stays crisp on the outside. Use a funnel, pastry bag, or squeeze bottle to pipe batter into the hot oil in a circular, looping motion. Fry for about 90 seconds per side until golden brown, then flip carefully and cook the opposite side. Transfer to paper towels to drain excess oil and dust with powdered sugar, fruit, or syrup while still hot to maximize flavor and presentation. Serve immediately for the best texture and taste.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.